Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we're going to show you a simple trick how you can block specific websites in Google Chrome. For instance, if you'd like to deny the given website access to your device or to your Google Chrome web browser. So let us get started right away. So what you want to do, guys, is launch the Google Chrome web browser and head over to the Chrome Web Store. To do that, simply type in that URL here in the address bar, chromewebstore.google.com. And here on the Chrome Web Store, what you want to do is use the search bar and type in the search something like block websites or block website or block site, press enter and pick the block website extension from the list of supported extensions below. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to add that one here to my extensions on Chrome because it has received so far a pretty positive user satisfaction score. So click on it. After that, click on Add to Chrome here to the right, confirm that in the pop-up window here, wait for the installation to be finished, and after a moment, the given extension will be automatically added to your Google Chrome web browser so that you may use it here in Google Chrome. So let me skip that tutorial here really quickly, as well as skip that pricing plan here. So what you want to do, guys, is click on that button here, add to block list, and after that simply use that search bar here where it says type your website category or keyword to find a website you would like to block. Like let us block, for instance, Instagram.com. So type in Instagram, pick the search entry below and confirm the blocking by clicking on that button here or by clicking on done in the bottom right corner. And after that, the given website will be automatically blocked by that extension. And that's all to it. You will see a list of the blocked items here. Also bear in mind, guys, that some of these extensions may be available in the free as well as in the paid version, which comes also with some limitations. For instance, if you sign up with a free membership, I'm allowed to add 2 or up to 2 items to that list here. Now these limitations may vary, of course, depending on the block list extension you installed. So guys, bear that in mind too. Hope you enjoyed the video, got something from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.